Hi, my name's Mary McGarry. I'm the 8th grade teacher at Our Lady of Grace School, and I would like to take a moment to say hello to all of the students at Our Lady of Grace, and especially to the class of '93. Today I'm going to tell you about mass. Mass is the amount of matter that an object has. And in order to find the mass of an object, we need to use what is called an equal arm balance. And this is an equal arm balance, and it cancels out the forces of gravity. Now, is there a caller out there that would like to help me find the mass of an object? Perhaps a nickel? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, who's this?
Brian?
Brian?
Yeah.
How old are you, Brian?
6.
6. And where do you go to school?
Armstrong.
Armstrong. Have you ever found the mass of an object or used an equal arm balance?
No.
You haven't? Well, I bet you're ready to try, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. All right, this is a nickel, and I'm going to put it in on this side of the equal arm balance. You can see now that it's out of balance, right?
Yes.
And over here, I have what are called my mass pieces, and these little blue ones are 1 gram. Okay? Now I'm going to put my mass pieces on this side in this bucket, and I want you to help me count how many grams have the same mass as this nickel. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, if 1 blue, I'll put that in. How much is that?
1.
Do you think it's balanced yet?
No.
No, it's still a little lopsided, isn't it? Let's try another one. How much is that now?
2.
There's 2 in there. Do you think there's room for 1 more?
Yeah.
Should we try another one? We have to keep going until the equal arm balance is balanced.
It's 3.
Huh?
It's 3.
Okay, just a little bit more. It's getting very... Huh?
4.
There's 4. Very good. And what's that?
5.
5. And you know what? It's kind of hard to see, but there's a little arrow on this side, and I can see that it is completely balanced. So, we would then say...
Okay, so a nickel is 10.
Wait, a nickel is... Can you help me count? Help me count.
5 cents is nickel, so it would be 5 grams.
Well, a nickel does weigh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grams. It has a mass of 5 grams. Okay. Now, I have some other things that I would like to find the mass of. Is there a caller that can help me?
Hello?
Hello, who's this?
Roxanne?
Maxine, where do you go to school, Maxine?
Roxanne. I go to
Oh, I'm sorry, Roxanne.
Newton Bateman Elementary School.
Oh, and what grade are you in?
6th.
6th grade. Have you ever used an equal arm balance before?
Yeah.
Well, good. You're probably an expert then, aren't you? Now, what I have in this container is 200 cubic centimeters of water. And I would like you to help me find out what the mass of 200 cubic centimeters of water is. I've put a little blue food coloring in this water just so you could see it a little better, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, I have bigger mass pieces than just 1 gram. I have a 50-gram mass piece. I have a 20-gram mass piece. I have a 10-gram mass piece and a 5-gram mass piece. Which piece do you think we should start with?
15.
The 50? Oh my goodness, it hasn't moved at all. Should we try another one?
Yeah.
All right. Well, there we go. How much is in there so far? If I have 2 50-gram pieces, how many grams are in that side?
100 grams.
Very good. 100 grams. Should we try another one?
Yeah.
Okay. It still hasn't moved. Do you think another one would do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when I put this in, how many grams will be in this side of the equal arm balance?
200.
Let's see what happens. It's moving. Okay, it's a little bit too heavy. Should we take one out and give it a try again?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we try a 20 this time?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh, maybe 20 more, do you think?
A 10.
A 10? All right, let's try the 10 and see what happens. Okay, now which one do you want to put in?
Another 20.
Another 20, do you think? If I put another 20 in, how much will be in there?
50.
Plus, the other 350 pieces will be how much?
200.
200, which is what we had when we had all 4 50 pieces, right?
Much better at 10.
Okay. Oh, it still hasn't moved too much. Should we try maybe 5 more, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, and it looks like it still used a little bit of help. Should we try some 1 gram pieces now?
Yeah.
Okay, can you help me? There's 1.
1,
And here's another.
2. That's it.
And, okay, there we go. Now, I need you to help me add up the grams in this basket, okay?
Okay.
Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay, over here, I have, how much is that?
50.
And how much is that?
100.
And plus that much?
150.
Now, this was my 20 gram piece, so how much is that?
170.
170, very good. And this is worth 10 grams, so how much would that be?
180.
And plus 10 more?
190.
Plus 5?
95. 195.
195. 196.
6. 97.
And 100?
And 98.
Okay, so we would say that the mass of 200 cubic centimeters of water is 198 grams. Thank you very much, Roxanne. Please call again and keep watching our show.
Thank you very much.
Now, is there another caller that can help me find the mass of another object?
Hi.
Hello, who's this?
Julie.
Hello, Julie. What school do you go to?
St. Margaret Mary.
St. Margaret Mary. What grade are you in there?
3rd.
3rd grade. Did you see your teacher on earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, have you ever used an equal arm balance at school?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I need your help in measuring the mass of this balloon. Okay? Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. What do you think I would need to start with? The big 50 gram pieces or maybe a little 1 gram piece?
A 1.
Okay, let's try the 1. Here we go. How much is that?
1.
1 gram. I'm going to put another one in. How much is in there now?
2.
2. And here we go.
3.
And 3. And, yep, my arrow's right on. So what is the mass of that balloon?
3.
3 what?
Grams.
3 grams. Very good. Okay, now, the next thing thank you very much, that I want to find the mass of is a different balloon. Is there a caller that can help me find the mass of this next balloon? Hello? Hello? Is there someone there?
Hello?
Hello? Who's this?
Christy.
Christy? What school do you go to, Christy?
St. Margaret Mary.
Oh, another person from St. Margaret Mary's. And what grade are you in?
3rd.
3rd grade as well. Wonderful. Well, do you think you can help me find the mass of this balloon?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm going to put this balloon right there. Okay? Now, what gram pieces do you think that I'm going to need to use this time? Do you think I need a big 50 gram piece, or do you think I can get away with these little 1 gram pieces?
1 gram pieces.
All right, let's give it a try. You ready to help me count?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm going to put this in. How much is that?
1 gram.
1 gram. And this?
2 grams.
2 grams. Do you remember what the mass of the last balloon was? Did you see that?
Yeah, 3 grams.
It was 3 grams. Do you think this balloon is going to be 3 grams?
Yeah.
You think so? All right, well, this is the 3rd gram. Let's see if you're right. Oh, not quite. I think we need 1 more. Okay, how much is in that basket now?
4 grams.
4 grams. Why do you suppose that this balloon weighed 4 grams when the balloon this balloon only weighed 3 grams?
Because the other balloon was smaller and one was bigger.
Okay. What else was different about them? They were still just balloons.
But one had oxygen in it.
Very good. Excellent job. This balloon has air inside. And what is the mass of the air in this balloon? If this balloon was 3 grams and a balloon plus air was 4 grams, what do you think the mass of the air was?
4 grams.
Well, the mass of the balloon and the air was 4 grams. What was the